Come on, tell me.
Miss, I feel like for this question there is some sort of missing information.
Let's see. I don't know. I didn't read it. As of now,
Okay.
Come on now. We have ordinary share capital, share premium, revaluation reserves, and retained earnings, right?
Yeah.
And we have to prepare statement of changes in equity for which date?
May 31st, 2014.
So the last day balance would be balance at 31st May 2014. So the starting balance would be June 2013. Correct?
Yeah.
Everyone, are you all with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, there is share capital. $25,000. Share premium.
Miss, can you share this in chat?
5,000. Revaluation reserve 1,000. Retained earnings 2950. We do not have any general reserves. Do the total.
Yes, miss.
Can you all tell me the profit for the year?
2,715.
How?
They gave us profit from operations, and then also we have to calculate finance costs, which is the debentures. We get profit.
Just 1 minute. 3752 into 8%.
Yeah. There's no object in here.
How much is the finance cost?
That's one.
132.
Into 11 by 12.
Wanted by everybody.
Yeah.
3752 123 into 8%. Debentures was on 1st July. So into 11 divided by 12.
This should take 1800, not 3752.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 1800 into 8% into 11 divided by 12. Finance cost is 132. 3752 minus 132. 3620. Tax was 25%. So 905 is the tax. So 3620 minus 905. You get 2715 as your profit for the year. Final dividend is for previous year. 0.04 per ordinary share. So how much will it be? 25,000 shares into 0.04. So this is coming to 10,000. Correct, Natila?
Yes. Yes, I wrote 1,000. Wait, no. For dividend paid, I wrote 1,000, not 10.
How? 25,000 divided into 0.04. Yeah, 1,000. Then what is there?
Issue of shares.
Issue of shares. Fresh issue. So, how many shares were issued? 5 million. 5 million shares were issued of one each, and the premium was 0.01. So the face value will go in share capital, and the extra amount will go where, Zara?
Share premium.
Extra amount will go in share premium. So 3 zeros goes away. So 5,000 over here, and in share premium it would be 5,000 into 0.10. It's coming 500.
Yeah, I got that also. For share premium, I wrote 500.
500 you wrote?
Yeah.
In the total it will be 5,500.
Miss, the 500 will come under share premium, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, miss.
Looks like an easy sum. What was wrong, Natila?
Miss, only the wait, the revaluation.
Okay. Right issue, how much? 1 share for 5 held. So you have 30,000 held. So right issue would be 6,000 shares.
Yeah.
Where will you use the 6,000 from?
Share premium.
From share premium, I can use only 5,500. Remaining 500, where will I use it from?
Wait, miss, do we have to use a premium account anyway? Because it's not,
It's not bonus issue.
Yeah.
It is right issue. So only 6,000. If it was bonus issue, we would have used premium account.
Yeah.
Miss, I didn't understand why didn't we add the 5,000?
Why didn't we add what?
5,000.
We added, na? We took 30,000 shares. For bonus issue. 1 share for every 5 held. And when you do a bonus issue, you receive the money, so you don't have to use your reserves.
Miss, from where did 30,000 come?
25,000 shares were there from before, because share value
plus
is
the
1
fresh issue.
plus the fresh issue. Interim dividend. How much is interim dividend? 0.03 per share. It's 900.
Miss, the total number of shares will be then 36,000, right?
Yeah. 36,000 into 0.03. 1,080. This we will use from retained earnings. Okay. $500,000 was transferred from retained earnings to general reserves. Where is revaluation reserve? What is wrong?
Yeah.
Nadila, it's a normal sum.
Miss, you skipped the revaluation. It's above the dividend.
Okay, yeah, just 1 minute, okay? I'll just see. Transfer to general reserves. Where it is? Yeah. Land was revalued at 7,500,000. That is 7,500. The value of land was how much? Natila?
Yeah, miss, I don't know.
How much was the value of land? See?
Miss, that's the value or? Oh, okay.
And land was revalued at 7,500.
Okay, yeah.
So revaluation. 1,500 up. You're also up and you're also up.
Yes, miss.
And then you can do the totals.
What?
Tell me once it's done.
Interrogative sentences.
I want to teach you all journal entries today after this sum. Is it done?
Yes, miss.
Can I teach you all journal entries? Can I teach you all journal entries today?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll be doing journal entries for limited companies. Okay. Can you all tell me when you issue shares at par? When you issue shares at par, suppose you have a share of $10 and you issue it at $10. What will be the journal entry?
Bank debit, share capital credit.
Bank debit share capital credit. Very good.
Yes, miss. Imperative.
If you have share of $10 and you issue it at $12, that means you are issuing share at
Premium.
premium. Very well. That means you're issuing share at premium. Can you give me the journal entry for the same?
So bank would be debit, and then the amount is 12. Share capital.
Money coming in is 12. Atya, are you there with me?
Yes, miss.
Share
Share.
capital,
Credit
how much?
10.
And 2 will be
Share premium.
share premium. Very good. If I issue bonus shares, one share, what would be the journal entry? What would be the journal entry to issue bonus shares?
Share premium debit and share capital credit.
Share premium debit, share capital credit. Very good. If I am giving dividend of $500, what would be the journal entry?
Bank would be credit.
Bank will be credit. What will be debit?
Yes, this is getting very confusing.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Different participants and different.
Share premium, no, retained earnings, right? You give dividend out of
Retained earnings.
retained earnings. So retained earnings debit.
So Miss, retained earnings is its own account.
Yeah, you are giving dividend out of retained earnings. So money is going out. Okay. And what is reducing? What is reducing is your retained earnings is reducing.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
If you transfer money to general reserves, if you transfer money to general reserves, what would be the journal entry?
Retained earnings debit, general reserves credit.
Money is going to general reserves. So general reserves credit, retained earnings debit. Do you all want to write these entries or I can start with the sums?
I want to write it down.
Okay, you want to write it down, so I'm giving you heading.
Yes, miss. Atya, give me the journal entry for the first and the fourth one. For her, we are continuing last lesson.
First one,
So we are
first
having
one
the
is
same.
bank debit, bank debit $10, share capital credit $10.
Yeah.
Fourth one,
Fourth one, retained earnings debit $500,
hmm,
bank credit $500.
Zara, second and fifth.
Bank debit $12, share capital credit $10, share premium credit $2.
Fifth one.
Retained earnings debit $1,000.
Hmm.
And then general reserve.
Okay. Next, Dua. You are requested to respect your elders.
Share premium debit and share capital credit.
You're obligated to respect your elders. Who's going to give me the first entry? I'm issuing shares at $0.70 each. But remember that the shares are of face value 0.50. So money is coming in, but credit will be share capital and credit would be share premium. Did you all got this entry?
Is this in the new PPT?
Sorry?
Is this in the new PPT?
Yes, in the new PPT that I have uploaded, it has the MS of all the answers that you've shared to me, Natila. Thank you so much. And these things. This was there in the last PPT also. Yes, miss. Do not insult
okay.
the. Let the beggar not be insulted. Yes, miss. Is this clear? Can somebody tell me this part? Someone can explain me this part?
Miss, are we not supposed to write this because it's for the next year?
What?
We pay final dividends in the next financial year, right?
They have told that you have paid. If it was proposed, then it would have been something else.
Okay.
But you have paid.
So you just have to add the shares, including the newly fresh issue.
Sorry?
The command or the request.
You have to add all the shares.
Please read.
Oh, okay. Only the
How much samosa the net to it? Let a glass of
Only
water.
the
2,800 shares.
only the shares that are held with me on 31st December 2014. Am I correct?
Yeah.
How many shares are held with me on 31st December 2014? 1,400 divided by 0.50. So I have 2,800 and more 3 zeros. 2,800,000 shares with me on 31st of December 2014. And I am going to give dividend of 0.04 per share.
Miss.
Who will give me the journal entry?
Miss, question 8 is also like question 7 order, but then you have to convert it into a difference given you can help with let on it. Yeah. Okay.
If I am paying dividend, money is going out. Who is going to give me the journal entry? Come on.
Retained earnings would be debit.
Okay. And
Bank credit.
did you all get how did I manage to get the number of shares and then I multiplied with the dividend per share and I got the total? When you're giving dividend, ensure that what are the instructions that are given? Is it on the old shares that you have or is it inclusive of the fresh issue? So here they have given us specific instructions. Come on, who's going to give me the last entry?
Maybe Bilal is still playing with toys. Miss, maybe he went underneath his desk to play with toys.
You have made a bonus issue. 2 ordinary shares for every 15 held. So how many shares are there with you? Your old issue was 2,800,000.
Miss, my first one is you are obligated to respect your elders.
And your new issue was 200,000. So you have 3 million shares. So what is the bonus issue?
It's 400,000.
400,000 shares. And what is the face value of shares? 0.50. So the bonus issue would be for 200,000. From where do you do the bonus issue?
Miss, can I leave?
Share premium.
Share premium.
I cannot upload. I'm using the shooter notebook and the length is more than 2 pages. So bye, Miss. Shooting. What? I got push.
So share premium debit.
Share capital credit.
Yeah, share premium debit. Share capital credit.
3 मिनट इसके लगते ना.
Okay. I want you all to try the remaining sums, write a reflection, and then you all can leave.